Hi everyone, here we've got a GIGASET GS190 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the camera app, so let's tap on it, and since we are on the standard photo mode, we can enter the settings which are in the right upper corner, so let's tap on it. As you can see on the second position, we've got self timer, so let's enter, and here we've got only 3 actually options which we can choose. Right now we've got the timer turned off, but we can set 2 or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick 10 seconds delay. Just tap on the option you'd like to set. As you can see, it is notified right here, so it means that it has been applied to the camera. So let's go back and check and tap on the shutter button. What's more, here you've got the notification that you've got the 10 seconds delay. So let's tap on the shutter button, and as you can see right now, your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, let's check another option. So let's check the 3 seconds delay. Let's go to the settings. Oh, sorry, 2 seconds delay. Let's get it back. And the same situation, but right now it is counting down from 2. And after turning off the timer, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button, at least it should. So actually, that's all. This is how to set the camera timer in your GIGASET GS190. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.